Kisumu County.
Piny owacho ma Ingeresa oyango ni gibiro oro kweth mag joket mwandu mawuok e pinyno e romo mar ariyo mar keto mwandu ma sirkand kaunti ma Homa Bay ochano. Piny owacho ma Homa Bay ochano romono mabiro dhi nyime kuom ndalo 3 kendo mar ywayo wang' joket mwandu mawuok e pacho ka kod pinje maoko bende.
And I'm very keen that British businesses come to the whole of Kenya and see the opportunities in places like Homa Bay. They don't just stay in Nairobi and Mombasa. So we're very pleased to support the Homa Bay International Investment Conference that you're organising, and I hope this will be a chance to bring wealth and prosperity to the people of Homa Bay.
We have discussed with you because we have seen that the United Green Group, which is a large UK group coming into the agribusiness space, is going to be coming into Kenya in a big way. And we are prioritizing value chains that align to the value chains that also United Green is looking at, cotton being one of them, edible oils, horticulture, among others, including aquaculture. So we are looking at a possibility of Homa Bay County being one of those counties that will partner with United Green in achieving our food security